Hi guys, you want to win street fight in 3 seconds, then don't miss this video, because in this video we'll teach you if someone grab your collar, then how to free yourself within 3 seconds. So let's start. If an enemy grab your collar in this way, here first of all you have to feel him that you are scared from him and don't do any move. If you do any move, he can attack on you. Okay, now watch very carefully if you want to learn. Now, step number 1. First of all, you will grab his wrist from here, as you can see in the video, like this, and twist your body in side position. Now here you will be twist your body under his arm, as you can see my stance and my steps, like this way, and you will bring your hand over his shoulder. Now grab his neck like this way. Now he is fully under of your control. You can see if he tries to free himself here, he will be further trapped in your grip. And if he resists himself, then you can lock his neck like this way. Guys, now I will show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn this technique, then watch this video very carefully again 2 or 3 times, then you can understand better. Guys, need your support, please share our video, and if you want to learn more interesting video, then subscribe our channel, share our video. Thank you.